What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to replace your Bank of America credit card, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So what are the steps you need to go with changing your Bank of America card? So first of all, you can contact customer service. So call Bank of America customer service using the phone number on the back of your current credit card. Follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative to report a loss or damage or any other reason why you want to change your card. Then you need to provide necessary info, so be ready to provide your account information such as your account number and any other requested detail for verification. Then the third step is verifying your identity, so the bank may ask you some security questions to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure the requests of your account. So request a replacement card, so clearly state that you need a replacement card and confirm your mailing address to ensure the new card is sent to the correct location. Also follow up, ask a confirmation number or any reference that can be used to track the replacement request, and inquire about the estimated delivery time for the new card. Also, you can monitor your account, so keep an eye on your account online or through mobile banking to ensure that the replacement card is activated once received. So always remember to keep your personal info and account info secure during the process. If you have online banking, you may also be able to request a replacement card through the bank's website or mobile app. So guys, that would be it for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Goodbye guys, and thank you for watching.